In a quiet glade, a seasoned field instructor shows that observation beats panic, as wind tells, tracks hint at shelter, and edible plants reveal themselves to patient eyes. The story follows a small group learning to adapt gear, build a simple shelter from fallen branches, and keep water pure using sun and sand. Lessons linked to outdoor education, turning survival into mindful practice guided by science and safety. When weather shifts, the instructor demonstrates quick decisions to stay warm, conserve energy, and communicate with distant help. Ultimately, the group learns resilience through practice and curiosity,